Hi everybody, Driving with Dane here, coming to you with a quick informational video. Today I'm going to show you a couple of cool remote functions you can do on a Kia or Hyundai. So specifically, if your car is equipped with a key fob that has the P forward and P backward button, this lets you actually move the car just with the key fob, which I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do. So first thing you want to do, hit the lock button, press and hold the remote start button down here on the bottom. You notice the car will fire up there. And we're going to move it backwards at first. So what I want to do is press and hold this button on the key. Press and hold. Notice it flashes. You'll hear it kind of shift. And then very slowly start moving backwards. Go ahead and let it go. Car will stop and flash at me again. Now I want to move it back to where it was. So I'm just going to hit the opposite button. Press and hold. You'll hear it kind of shift. Lights will switch. And it will move forward again. And we want to stop right about there. Actually, I'm going to move it forward a little bit further so it's a little bit prettier back in our line. So you'll notice there's some delay, and obviously the car doesn't move very quickly. These are for safety reasons, of course, but some really useful cases for this. Let's say that these two cars were parked way closer together and I couldn't get in my in the driver door here without either dinging this car or just might not be able to open my door at all. So this would let me move forward and get into a better parking spot. If I need to fix my park job, let's say I was trying to get in between some parking lines, you could know exactly how close you were going to be. Lots of interesting use cases, but if nothing else, it makes a really good party trick. Let me know what else you guys want to see with Kias and Hyundais. I think this is super helpful. Again, Dane Hansen, or Driving with Dane here at Castle Motors. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for your time.